Hi there, this is Joy from Fera, and we're excited to announce that we are available on the Ecwid App Store. If you're running an Ecwid store, you already know that customer reviews are absolutely essential for building trust, driving conversions, and building a scalable business. But here's the problem that most store owners face. Getting customers to actually leave reviews is incredibly challenging. That's why with the Fera app, you can now automatically collect photo, video, and text reviews and show them beautifully to shoppers on your website. Products with reviews see a 270% higher conversion rate than those without, but only 5% of your customers will naturally leave reviews without being asked. So that means if you have 100 orders, only 5 will result in reviews. This means if you're not actively collecting reviews, you're leaving trust, credibility, and sales on the table. For Ecwid store owners specifically, reviews serve multiple purposes. First, they build immediate social proof. When a visitor lands on your homepage, product pages, and see genuine customer feedback, it builds social proof and reassures customers in their shopping journey. Second, they improve your SEO. Review content that is fresh and rich with keywords are something that search engines love, helping your products rank higher in search results, such as Google. Third, they provide valuable insights about your customers and products. Reviews tell you what customers love about your products and what needs improvement. And finally, they enhance your presence across all platforms. From Google Shopping to social media, reviews make your brand stand out. This is where Fera comes in. Fera is a product reviews app and is built to integrate seamlessly with Ecwid in just a few clicks. It automates the entire review collection process, so you never have to manually ask for reviews again. And it collects multiple types of social proof, not just star ratings, but also text reviews, photos, and videos. Plus, everything is optimized for mobile and customizable to match your brand perfectly. Here's how to install Fera for your Ecwid store. Log into your Ecwid admin panel, go to Apps, and search for Fera. Click Install. Follow the onboarding process and connect your store. Once installed, Fera will automatically sync with your Ecwid store data. Go to the Configuration tab, click Automatic Requests, and this is the magical part. You'll be able to set up automated email campaigns that will be sent to customers after they make a purchase. You can enable customers to submit photo and videos with their reviews, set up review incentives such as discount codes, which can dramatically help your response rate. You can customize the timing such as sending email to customers an X number of days after delivery. You also have the option to change the email copy and subject line. Now that you're going to be collecting reviews, it's important to show them beautifully on your website. Go back to the Configuration tab, Widgets, and select what widgets you would like to place on your product pages, homepage, or anywhere you want to showcase social proof. You are able to customize them so the design matches your storefront. So what are you waiting for? Go to your Ecwid admin dashboard, search for Fera in the App Store, and install the app to start collecting reviews today. For more information, check out the description box below.